Welcome back, everyone. Today, we will explore one of the most important topics every programmer faces, that is, errors and debugging. Because no matter how good you are, every program makes mistakes, and that's how we learn. Before we understand errors, let's call what a token is. Tokens are the smallest building blocks of any programming language, like the alphabets in English. When you learn a new language, you start with letters. Similarly, when you learn programming, you start with tokens. That means identifiers, keywords, operators, symbols, and literals. And when any of these are misused, an error occurs. So, letter actually forming words and token forming code lines. Let's talk about syntax error. Syntax error happen when you break the rules of grammar of the programming language. Suppose you should use a semicolon after printf function in C. If you don't use it, it will cause a syntax error. Similarly, you just put on closing parentheses after the end of a print function. If you don't use it, it will cause a syntax error. And syntax error are caught before the program runs. Logical error never stop your program, but it will produce the wrong output. Here we see that in the given program, the program is written for summation of two numbers, but it is producing uh, the subtraction of these two numbers. So this is actually logical error. Runtime errors that occur while the program is running, usually due to invalid operations or unexpected input. Suppose x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. When we are going to print x divided by y, that time it will create error which is known as division by 0 or runtime error. So runtime errors occur during program execution, unlike the syntax error. Now comes to the fun part, the debugging. Debugging means finding and fixing errors so your program runs smoothly. So read the error message carefully. Check the syntax for missing semicolons, parentheses, or colons. Use print or debug statement to verify logic and variable values. Then test with different input to catch runtime issues. So debugging is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become at spotting errors quickly. So here we see that in code C there is a missing semicolon. Just put down this missing semicolon there, then the source code will be corrected. And in the same way, just put in missing closing parenthesis in the source code of Python, then it will give you the correct output. In this program, we sum of want to do sum of two numbers, but accidentally we did the subtraction. So just changed a minus b to a plus b, and the program is being corrected. In case of runtime error, we just check the appropriate input taken by us, and as well as we always check the valid operations done by those variables given here. If there are some cases which can um, cause an runtime error, that time we should put some conditions there to avoid the error. Now consider this program and try to find out the logical error, syntax error, and runtime error from this program. Okay, this is end of this lesson, and in the upcoming lesson we will try to see how to write a program from the scratch.